In this video, I show you how to calculate averages in Excel using a function. I promise you it's very simple. Here's how to do it in 3 easy steps. Casper from Spreadsheeter here, and to calculate an average, you need a function. And a function is very easy to use. Step 1, press the equal sign and hit the function name. Now the name of this function is pretty easy. It's average. That's it. That's the one you need to use. You'll see there are several options, but you need to use the one called average. Doesn't matter if you type lowercase or uppercase, just average and hit open parenthesis. Now step 2 is to select the cells that includes all the data you need to find the average of. So if you need to find the average of these people's ages over here, just select them. That's it. Step number 3 is to find the actual result. So close the parenthesis like this and hit enter. And this is the average of all these people's ages over here. Pretty easy, huh? Now, if any of these ages change, like when this guy is 28 and this girl is 35, you can see that the average over here will change. And you can actually include more decimals by doing this if you need the precise result here. Now let's change this person's age to 40 and you'll see that the average goes up, but not by much. If you want to dive deeper into averages in Excel, you need to check out this video over here about weighted averages, which is a pretty cool thing to do in Excel if a normal average is not enough. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.